back on the 88 Vet. So, now that we have our seal kit here, finally...
Right? So we noticed
cleaning here
that we've got a little bit of carbon buildup, so this is starting to become a little sticky.
It's okay, but yeah, it's easy clean. Scotty's gonna just tidy it up.
We'll clean that up.
Gratis.
And the EGR port was just a little pluggy, so we got that cleaned up as well. Took a wire brass brush to it so we won't cause any damage.
Got this. We're gonna finish cleaning up that gasket surface. Now down here. Oh, and you can see
the
trail
right
here
there.
too.
So
we had something eating coolant.
Yeah, can you get that in the...
I'm working on it. So, when we resealed this, the gasket failed. This is the coolant crossover, which warms the throttle body, which is completely unnecessary here. If you were in the snow...
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, here, we don't need that shit, so we're bypassing it. So, it was leaking... because it's one gasket for both, and you can see coolant residue on the idle air control. And that's also the idle air control circuit. And there was coolant residue here. It was leaking out. Oh my God, it's hard to do this one zoomed in. It was leaking out here, past the gasket. Ooh, are you Vanna White? I was like, very nice, Vanna. Into the idle air control circuit, but it was also coming down this little channel here.
Yep.
And out. So that was what was dripping onto our thermostat housing.
So I will...
So that's why you were low on coolant.
Yep.
Because it was drinking it.
And was it enjoying it while it was drinking it?
I think it was fucked up. Anyway. So, we're going to omit our coolant crossover because we don't need it. We're going to reseal everything. We're going to clean our idle air control. We're going to put everything back together.
Yep.
And then this thing should knock off its overheating and shenanigans.
Yeah. At least and I do. I understand exactly where...
It won't focus on your face. Anyway, okay.
And I understand where the owner of this car was coming from because it was frustrating. You know, we did everything that we were supposed to do, by the book, the whole 9 yards. But now you can actually see because it was leaking in 2 spots. If you go in, I'll try and angle this. If you go in right there, you'll see the white. So it was leaking there as well. So right there at that point. Then it was leaking in through here.
Yep. Our idle air control circuit was sucking coolant down.
So I will...
Just a little.
And wait.
And then it was leaking out here. Yes, we noticed that because it was leaking.
So I will get this completely cleaned up.
And we'll
brass brush.
Seal it, put it back together, and away we go.
So on that note, ladies, gentlemen, Joims, and you of all beautiful peoples, we love you.